Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. Today, we're taking a closer look at the alternate option found in the bar series menu. In short, this is a quick and easy tool for representing multiple bars on the same bar series. Let's create an outside bar with a bar distribution next to it. Okay, these two elements, the bar and the series, are linked to each other. We can verify it. See? These are all linked together. Okay. The next step is to copy this bar and make it a little bit longer. So I'm copying it, and let's stretch it just a little bit with 1 meter. Perfect. Now I'm gonna link this new bar to the same bar series. For this, we're gonna go into the modification panel of the bar series, check the add position option, and click on the 3 dots next to the position number box. And now we have 2 positions linked to the same bar series, 103 and 104. Finally, to have both bars shown on the series, I need to check the alternate box. And now you can see that these 2 bars are present on the same bar series. Additionally, if you want to separate them even more, you can add an offset for the second position. For example, 50 centimeters. See? Now the second longer bar is shifted up. This way, the bars are more visible. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Have a nice day and see you next time.